Hello everyone, and welcome to the first video on this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys a quick tip for all you Mac users out there who find themselves multitasking on their laptop or on their iMac. Specifically in this case, a MacBook, because I'm using a MacBook to demonstrate this. So first of all, here's your traditional multitasking setup. You have your research going on in one window, you have your Word document or PowerPoint in this case. I have it open, and then you have some music playing in the background. And while this isn't bad, but the thing it takes a lot of space on your screen, and you want it to be as clean as possible while you're multitasking and not get distracted by everything around you. Okay, for this tip, go into your mission control first, and you'll notice that you have multiple desktops, or at least if you have them open. In this video, I'll be using desktop 2 and desktop 3 to demonstrate this quick tip that you can use. So let me go back into desktop 2. Okay, so as you can see, we have 3 different windows here. So what I'm going to do is open up the mission control and drag my work window into a separate desktop, so it's separate from my work and my music window. And let me add another desktop, and you can even move these desktops around, so don't feel you're confined to whatever setup they come in or whatever order. Let me put my research one over there, and here's my music one. Actually, let me just switch this. So now I have my workplace here, I have my research place here, and then I have my background music or whatever that's playing over there. And you can, if you have the gestures enabled, which I highly recommend, that's really gonna help you guys maneuver quickly between your research and your workplace, and you'll have your entertainment going on in the background. I hope you found value in this video, and I'll catch you guys later. Thank you.